Hey Greg, so this is a sine function, and what we're going to do is amplitude is going to equal our a, the coefficient out in front of the sine function. So our amp is just going to equal a, so in this case it's going to be 10, okay? And then our period, well, period is going to equal 2 pi over b. In this case, our b is 2 right here, so it's just 2 pi over 2, so our period is going to be pi. So here's our period, here's our amplitude, and our phase shift, so phase shift is going to be b over c. I think it's b over c or c over b. Let me check. I actually think it's c over b. Anyways, so in that case, we're going to take this, and it's pi over 2 over 2. Or if it's the other way, it's pi over 2, and it's 2 over pi over 2, so it's going to be c over b. All right? So that's going to equal pi over 4. So it's c over b, and our phase shift is going to be pi over 4. Okay? So I'm going to say that this is pi over 4 right here. And so what do we know about sine? I'm going to put our amplitude, well, I'm going to put our amplitude right here. I'm going to say that this is 10, and then this is negative 10. And what we know about sine is sine starts on the x-axis. When sine is, the sine of 0 is going to be 0. And then at, this is going to be, all it goes, there's a half. It's going to go all the way out to here, and I'm going to say that this is 5 pi over 4. This is 3 pi over 4. This is going to be pi over 2. This is going to be pi. Alright, so we're going to have our top right here, our apex, is going to go through the x-axis and go down to negative 10 right here and back up to this. So our period is just pi. So all I did was I added 4 or pi over 4 plus pi, which is just 4 pi over 4. That equals 5 pi over 4. And that's how I got that last one. And then I just added a 4 pi to, or a pi over 4 to each one of these things, and then I simplified. All right? Hopefully that helps. The amplitude is the coefficient. The b is going to be your period. It's 2 pi over b is your period. So the b is the kind of like the coefficient in front of the x inside the sign. And then the minus is you actually move forward when it's minus, or I mean to the right when it's minus. When it's plus, if this was plus, I would have started back over here at negative 5 or negative pi over 4. All right, Greg, hopefully that helps, and have a good night.